We'll guide you through how to make a potion of strength in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, make sure you've got a crafting table and a brewing stand. Now go and get yourself 3 blocks of glass, as we need that to go make bottles. Place them in a crafting table in a V pattern like so. With your glass bottles, then go and right click on a water source to go and fill them. Now you need to come and get a blaze rod, which you can get from killing a blaze, and also a nether wart, which you can go and get from the nether. Now what you need to do is place the blaze rod in the crafting table, so you get blaze powder. Now you need to go and put 1 piece of blaze powder in the brewing stand, and then go and put your water bottles in there with a nether wart. Now go and wait for this to brew. After that's finished, there'll be an awkward potion, and then you need to go and put the blaze powder in there. Now go and wait. Just like that, we've now got a potion of strength. Now what you could do is either add redstone to go and make these last longer, or you can increase the strength by adding glowstone dust. You can do either of those.